Welcome back to Product Critique, your trusted source for honest reviews and in-depth product breakdowns. Today, we're diving into what we consider the best flea and tick prevention drops for dogs in the small breed category. The Pointail Flea and Tick Prevention by AdCool, specifically designed for dogs weighing between 5 to 22 pounds. This isn't just another over-the-counter treatment. These topical drops are vet-recommended, and what sets them apart is the combination of efficacy, ease of use, and affordability. For pet parents who are searching for a hassle-free solution to protect their small dogs from fleas and ticks, this product might just be your go-to option. Let's start with packaging and dosage. Each box comes with 3 doses. That's a full 3-month supply. The drops are individually packaged in small, easy-to-tear open tubes, so you're not fumbling with scissors or tools. The labeling is clear, and each dose is precisely measured to cater to dogs within the 5 to 22 pound range, ensuring safe and consistent application. Applying the treatment is straightforward. Just part the fur between your dog's shoulder blades and apply the contents directly to the skin. The formula is designed to spread through your dog's natural skin oils, creating a protective barrier that lasts up to 30 days per application. The drops begin working quickly, targeting adult fleas and ticks as well as interrupting the life cycle to prevent further infestations. Now, let's talk about the formulation. While the exact proprietary ingredients are not disclosed in detail, the product is marketed as being vet-recommended, which provides peace of mind when it comes to safety and effectiveness. It's crafted to minimize skin irritation, and according to the manufacturer, it's also water-resistant, meaning your dog can enjoy a bath or a splash in the rain without compromising the treatment. What's equally impressive is the value proposition. Compared to some high-end brands that charge triple that amount, this product brings a lot of bang for your buck. Of course, no product is without its limitations. It's important to note that this treatment is only intended for small dogs between 5 and 22 pounds. If your dog is over or under that weight class, you'll want to look for a more suitable alternative. Additionally, as with any flea and tick medication, be sure to monitor your dog after application, especially if it's their first time using this formula. Look out for signs of irritation or allergy, and consult your vet if anything seems off. To wrap it all up, Pointail's Flea and Tick Prevention Drops by AdCool are a fantastic solution for small dog owners looking for affordable, effective, and easy-to-use protection. With 3 months of coverage, vet approval, and no-fuss application, it's no wonder this product is gaining attention as one of the top picks in its category. That's it for today's review. If you've used this product before or have questions about it, drop a comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss a product critique that helps you make smarter choices for your furry friends. Thanks for watching.